Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start engine BMW X1 updated. Place your foot on the brake pedal and keep it there while following steps to ensure a safe start. If you have a key fob, press the brake, then push the start button once to start. If using a mechanical key, turn to the ignition position while holding the brake. If it fails, try again calmly and check for alerts. Many BMW X1 owners rely on the key fob, so keep it charged and close by when starting. If the car won't detect the fob, hold it near the center console or use the backup slot. A weak fob battery can cause intermittent no-starts, so replace it promptly and carry a spare. Also check that doors are fully closed and the vehicle senses your presence before pressing the start button. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and save time between trips to the garage and errands. They're great for packed lunches and messy sauces. I find them handy when I'm prepping snacks before a long drive. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your BMW X1 struggles to start, stay calm and run quick checks to narrow down the cause. Confirm fuel level and listen for the fuel pump prime when you power on. Look for dashboard alerts that could inhibit starting for safety reasons. If you hear clicks but no crank, test the battery and cables and consider a jump start if voltage is low. For persistent issues, consult a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.